Hey, it's Matt from Gravity Forms, here to tell you about Gravity SMTP 2.2 is now available in your dashboards, in your downloads, and inside your WordPress updates. Hopefully auto updates, so you can get those updates right out of the gate. And before we get to those updates, if you're an elite license holder, a developer license holder, or a nonprofit license holder, you get Gravity SMTP for free. You can download it right in your Gravity Forms dashboard by visiting gravityforms.com, logging into your account, and downloading the plugin to your WordPress website, and you'll get all of the great features that we're going to talk about today and many, many more, which have been covered throughout the YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more information. Now for those Gravity SMTP 2.2 updates, 3 new integrations are now in Gravity SMTP. The first one, Cloudflare. A lot of us have been using Cloudflare lately, especially with our AI-enabled services and vibe coding experiences. And now if you're building with Cloudflare and WordPress, you can use Gravity SMTP to deliver those emails, leveraging the new Cloudflare email service. It's a welcome change and integration for Gravity SMTP. And next up, SMTP.com, which has been in business for quite some time, since almost the dawn of consumer internet, is now available inside of Gravity SMTP to help you deliver those transactional emails with paid plans starting at $25 a month at the time of this recording. Check out SMTP.com. And if you're already a customer, well, now you'll be able to integrate right into Gravity Forms for your WordPress website. And last but not least, Mailtrap. You can now integrate Gravity SMTP with Mailtrap, a company that helps you deliver those transactional emails with a high deliverability rate and an affordable price starting at $15 a month at the time of this recording. Check out Mailtrap if you're looking for an alternative for your transactional email service. And there was a minor update to Gravity SMTP 2.2, which allows you to resend emails to a different email recipient. If you've ever gone into the email logs inside of Gravity SMTP to help debug a customer's or your own organization's email sending issue, like maybe somebody put in the wrong email address or there was a bounce that happened because of something that was outside of your control, and maybe you want to send that email that got stuck in the queue there to a different email address. So it's a handy tool to help send those emails when they're stuck in queue by something that's out of your control, and now you can help somebody get that email that maybe doesn't have that inbox anymore. Somebody left the organization. Now you can send that email to a different inbox. If you're somebody who uses SendGrid and their IP pool feature, it is now available in Gravity SMTP 2.2. So good news for those of you that leverage that as well. And Email It API version 2 is available. If you're using the Email It integration, you can now use their version 2 of the API. That's Gravity SMTP 2.2 for you from Gravity Forms. We hope you're using it on all of your WordPress sites connected up to Gravity Forms to help you send those important transactional emails for yourself or for your customers. That's it for today's video. If you like today's video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want more. We'll see you in the next one.